Dyes. We're looking at water-soluble plant extracts. We can extract the material out of the plant using water, and we can concentrate it down. We are then able to use that material to make color from it. A dye must be able to bind to the material for the dye or the color to last. These are many times water-soluble. That means that they will tend to fade over time, which basically means you're removing some of the dye as time goes on. In order to stop that, we use a mordant. A mordant is a chemical that increases the adherence of the color to the material being stained. The color becomes longer lasting. We're not going to say it becomes permanent. Mordants often are metals, which will include aluminum, iron, tin, chromium, and copper. These have been known for a long time to help dyes stay in place. The material is mixed with these chemicals. As they do that, it stains. In the staining process, it makes the color last for a longer period of time. One of the problems you have is sometimes you get a color change in the dye. If you start out with something that's one color, you add one of these metals to it, it may actually modify the color. This has been used since the times of antiquity to be able to change colors that you've got and change the way things look. More recently, they've come up with synthetic dyes. Synthetic dyes are chemicals that are not from plants. They have a little bit different format. They work a little bit differently. Sometimes these things can stay for a much longer period of time. One of the principal places that they got dyes was from coal tar. You could take the material out of coal, you could modify the organic structure to it, and you would come up with a type of dye. We also have aniline dyes. Aniline dyes are made from a material such that they are often used in modern science. When you do these, you want to be able to produce vast amounts of material. If you can do it in a laboratory, they think it's a lot better than going out and producing these things in nature. We're going to look at some dyes and the way these dyes work.